There are many, many answers to this particular problem. I'm definitely not going to be able to cover all of them, but what I'm hoping to do in showing the answer to this question is to just model some examples as to how you could have come up with the probability of selecting a green marble being close to a third. Now, it doesn't say that it has to be exactly a third, it says that it could be close to a third. Now, I'm going to imagine some of you decided to make it a third anyways. So this would be like an example of how the green could be, the probability of selecting a green could be exactly one third, would be if you just got one out of your three marbles that is green. So our probability is one third. So here I'm just going to show an example of getting close to a third. So I'm just going to move all these marbles that I've drawn into my bag or box in this situation um, to model how we can get close to a third. So if I am to count up all of my total marbles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, my denominator is going to be 10. And I can see that I've got 1, 2, 3 green. So I've got 3 out of 10 marbles being green. I know that 3 over 10 is the same thing as 30%. And I know that 1 over 3 is the same thing as 33.3% repeating. So that's a pretty close example of one way that I could get close to one third of having green colors in a bag that I'm going to draw. And I do realize now after recording this video that the question asks about cubes and I've drawn marbles or circles, but you get the same idea as to how to go about solving the problem.